What if you could launch a digital product business today that makes sales and delivers orders completely on autopilot, even while you sleep? Hey everyone, today I'm showing you step-by-step how to sell digital products with AliDropship for beginners and how to run the entire operation 100% hands-free. Most people think selling digital products requires creating courses from scratch, coding websites, or learning complex software, but AliDropship removes all that friction. They are an industry powerhouse featured on Forbes and Entrepreneur, with over 1.5 million stores launched and a 4.7-star rating on Trustpilot. They give you everything you need to start immediately. The real game changer for beginners is that everything is completely done for you. You don't spend weeks designing a site or building web pages. When you sign up, you get a fully built, custom online store ready to make money from day one. No coding, no web design experience, and zero technical skills required. Now, where do you get the products? You don't have to create anything yourself. Directly from the catalog at sellviacatalog.com, you can load your store with high-demand digital items, including specialized guides, courses, and interactive AI toolkits. These AI toolkits give your buyers instant, personalized results, making them insanely popular right now. Here is where the true autopilot power kicks in. Because these items are 100% digital, fulfillment is completely automated. The second a customer buys, the platform processes the order and delivers the file instantly. No shipping, no inventory costs, and zero logistics headaches. Plus, you keep an incredible 50% to 70% profit margin on every single sale. And getting traffic is just as simple. You don't need marketing expertise because AliDropship features a built-in automated promotion system. You just set your daily ad budget, starting as low as $10 a day. Click Activate, and the system automatically targets and drives buyers to your store. You even get a free $40 ad coupon to launch your first ads. Over $1.5 billion has already been generated by store owners on this platform. If you want to start selling digital products on complete autopilot without taking big financial risks, this is the best way to do it. Claim your 14-day free trial with the link in the description. Use your free $40 ad coupon and launch your automated business today. See you next time.